Hello everyone, welcome to QAD, that is a question a day. In this series, I'm going to be picking a question from the list of questions you've asked me and answering them every day. If you would like to ask me a question, post it below this video as a comment or DM me and I'll pick your question for an upcoming video. So today's question is from Puneet. Puneet says, Ma'am, after my graduation, I have moved to a different city for my job. I miss all my old friends and I feel very lonely here. What should I do? So Puneet, I understand the friendships that we create in college are so wonderful, so they make us feel so good that it almost feels like their family, sometimes even more than family. That's how it feels. While I understand that, do think of your life like a train journey. Some people get in for a particular station, some people leave for a particular station, and every time there is some change that happens in your life. New people will come in and the older people will leave. Of course, there are few friendships which you forge for life. So right now I understand that your friends also might have gone to different cities for their job, and maybe you're meeting on online, maybe once a week, or you are in constant touch with them, may not be also, and only once in every 6 months you might be able to even meet them. So if you're going to expect the same level of time, the same level of energy, commitment, fun that you had in college even now, let me tell you, you will be disappointed, because each person now is focusing on their own lives, and so are you. And one of the reasons you might be feeling this is because a lot of our movies force this nostalgia onto you. Movies like Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, or Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, or the TV show Friends, where you see this bond between people that's not going away at all, even after so many years. And I'm sure you've built really good bonds with your friends as well. But realistically speaking, once life takes a different turn, it can get difficult for people to come back and bond with the same energy that they used to. Maybe 5 years from now, you all meet and then you go on a fun trip. That could be great. But what are you going to do for those 5 years? You will have to start making new friends, because your social life, your social health is really important for you. So don't think of friends as made for life, this is my best friend. I only have one best friend in my entire life, and I'm not going to pick anyone else as my best friend. You don't have to close yourself down like that. So my suggestion to you is, in your office, see if you can start approaching a few people. You never know. You might have something in common with this person a lot more than you perhaps had with your previous friends. I'm not saying let them go. I'm not saying betray them. There's no such thing. It's friendship. You're creating newer friendships with people, and there need not be any bondage there that only you can be my best friend and things like that. So start making friendships, start having conversations, go out for dinner with them, have coffee. See if you can start finding people who are of your similar interests. Create a life for yourself in this new city, because otherwise you will end up feeling very lonely. That's not a good place for you to be in. So start creating newer friendships, newer memories, newer meanings, which after 5 years you'll say, I'm so glad I found these friends here. Meet your older friends whenever you can. Have a call, have a conversation, but don't make them your most important friends at this point, because they won't be able to give you what you want. So this is my suggestion. See what you'll make of it.